Okay, today we're going to take a look at doing a fortune teller program with MIT App Inventor and using random numbers. First thing we're going to do is get our image, save it to our desktop, and then we're going to upload it to our media so that we have it available for us to work with. Okay, and then we'll grab an image, pull her over, and let's assign to that image the fortune teller picture. Okay, and then let's grab a button, put the button under there. Let's change our name for the button to fortune. And let's change our text to click to get fortune. Click to get fortune. Okay, so I think that's all we need here. We're going to click. Oh, we need a text box for our fortune. So let's get this, and this is going to be our fortune. So let's take away that hint, and we'll rename it Get Fortune. Okay, let's make it full screen. So we'll go across and we will make its width. We could make it multi-line if we wanted to, right down below there. But let's just make its width across. Okay, so there's our fortune and we're ready to go. So let's now start doing our programming. And we're going to say when the button is clicked. So we're going to go over when fortune is clicked. We're going to get a random number. So let's get a variable. Let's initialize it, and we'll call it random number. Okay, and we're going to initialize it. We'll set it to 0 to start, just to give it to something. All right, and now we're going to set our random number. So we're going to go into our variables, and we're going to set our random number. And inside the math function, there's something that'll give us a random number. And I'm just going to do 1 to 4, but you can do it 1 to 8 when you do yours for real with 8 different fortunes. But let's just do it 1 to 4 here. And that will set our random number to a number 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's integer. So let's go into our decision structure because we want to say if now, our logic, no control for if, and we're going to do an equal here. So we're going to say if our random number is equal to 1. So let's go to our variables, get our random numbers value, pull down random number, there's only 1 there. And if it's equal to a 1, this should happen 25% of the time with this one. If it's equal to a 1, we're going to then say, or set our text box equal. So our get fortune text box, we're going to set it equal. There it is. Set our get fortune text box to, and then we just put in some text. You will be lucky. Okay, and then let's just copy this whole block here. So let's duplicate it. And there's that one, and duplicate it, and that one, and duplicate it one more time. And if it's 1, we'll say you'll be lucky. If it's 2, let's say you're going to be unlucky. And whoops. And if it's 3, we'll say you're going to hit the lottery. And if it's 4, we'll say you will have a good day. Okay, so we're all set to go now. We're going to connect on our emulator, and our app should come up. And let's click to get the fortune. You will hit the lottery. You will be unlucky. You will be lucky. And that's the fortune teller.